In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace using a brand new method. If you've placed an order and find yourself needing to make a cancellation, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you'll know exactly what to do. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to Facebook. Simply log into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, you need to locate the Marketplace icon. This icon typically appears as a small shopfront symbol on the main menu, often situated alongside other features like the news feed, notifications, and friend requests. Click on the Marketplace icon to proceed. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace page, your next step is to click on the Inbox option. This can usually be found as a tab across the top or as a selection in the menu. Think of it like the messaging center for your marketplace activities, a place where you can see all conversations related to your buying and selling engagements. Inside your marketplace inbox, you'll find various options, and what you want to do next is click on the buying section. This tab will exclusively show you the transactions and conversations related to items you're interested in or have already purchased. Now that you're in the buying section, look for the conversation or transaction that involves the order you wish to cancel. Amid these discussions, click on the specific purchase or buyer you're dealing with. Here's where you get into the actual action of contacting your buyer or seller. Once you've opened the conversation with the buyer or seller, it's time to articulate your request to cancel the order. Open the message interface just as you would if you were sending a message to a friend or a family member, and politely ask the buyer or seller to cancel your order. Be clear and concise in your request while maintaining courtesy. It might help to include the order details such as the item name and the reason for the cancellation, making it easier for the other party to process your request. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've now requested a cancellation on your order using Facebook Marketplace's latest approach. Always remember that being polite and providing detail can significantly facilitate a smooth cancellation process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video has been helpful in resolving your purchase concerns on Facebook Marketplace. If you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment, and happy browsing.